my major is nautical level 2. And my friend, my name is Fadli. I'm from Bulukumba. I live in Barawajar. My major nautical level 2. Hey, how did your English exam go?
Not bad. Thanks. How about you? How did your presentation go?
Oh, it went really well. Thanks for help me with it.
No problem. So, do you feel like studying tomorrow for our math exam?
Yes. Sure, come home your time after breaks.
Alright, I will bring my notes. Hey, how did your English exam go?
No bad. Thanks. How about you? How did your decision go?
Oh, it went really well. Thanks for helping me with it.
No problem. So do you feel like studying tomorrow for our next exam?
Yes, sure. Come over around 10 after breakfast.
I really will break my notice.